just can you tell that I'm wearing two different lipsticks right now on two different sides of my lips? Hola beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Gurush Kaur and you already read by the title, but I still want to say that I've got something really exciting for you all, that is affordable dupes of some high-end lipsticks. And these are probably not really on the internet already. Like, I swatched the shit out of my hand to find these dupes. I hope you found them helpful, so to know more, please keep on watching. So product dupes are basically cheaper or more easily available alternatives of some high-end products, and thereby to qualify as a dupe they have to be extremely similar, almost duplicate to the original product. So yeah, I've tried to keep the product dupes as close to the original high-end product in terms of the formulation of the product, the color family, the undertones, everything. So I hope you find this video helpful, and without any further ado, let's get right into it. And one last thing before we move on to the dupes madness, if you want to know how I created this look, you can follow me on Instagram. The tutorial for the same will be right there, and all my socials go by Gurush Kaur, so do give a follow if you want. So I'm gonna swatch the high-end lipstick on this side of my lips and the dupe for the same on this side. Okay, so for the first dupe of the day, I have the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine in this shade Brilliance Intense. It's a beautiful glossy red lip, and the full size of this retails for 3600 rupees. That is pretty damn expensive. But the dupe I have for this is the Nykaa Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lit. I'm gonna swatch this on my hand side by side so that you all can see how similar both these look. I'm gonna swatch the Nykaa Demi Matte Liquid Lip. Can you see that is a spot on dupe? And this is what both the shades look like swatched on my hand. So the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lip retails for 3600 rupees, which is pretty expensive, whereas the Nykaa Demi Matte retails for 450 rupees, and that price difference is just... For the second dupe, we have the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Miami Fever, one of my personal favorite shades, also the one I'm wearing right now. And a very close dupe to this is the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade I Amaze. I'm gonna do a quick hand swatch for you all. And this is what both the lipsticks look like in comparison. The L'Oreal one, however, needs a little more time to settle down and just get matte. And also the L'Oreal one has like a more thinner formula and takes slightly longer to dry down on your lips, which is necessarily not a bad thing. I mean, I love the formula on both of them, and the L'Oreal one just feels weightless on the lips, literally. The Ofra one retails for 1600 rupees, whereas the L'Oreal one retails for 650 rupees. Next, we're going to dupe the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. And a very close dupe to this one has to be the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Cabaret Show. I'm going to do a quick little hand swatch for you all. I suck at swatches, like please don't judge my swatches. And this is what both the lipsticks look side by side on my hand. So the full-size Smashbox liquid lipstick retails for 2100 rupees, whereas the NYX Lip Lingerie retails for only 650 rupees. Lippy that I'm going to dupe is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Bumble. This in particular does not make up to the high-end category, but its availability is not super easy, like in India especially. You can buy it from pages of the Colourpop website, but still you can't get it on stuff like Nykaa, Amazon, like just a quick 1-2 day delivery. So I thought of including this dupe as well, and I'm going to swatch the Colourpop Lippy in the shade Bumble right here. And the perfect dupe for this is the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade Dawn Fawn. And this is what both the lipsticks look like side by side on my hand. I know the Sugar one looks like a little deeper on my hand, but on the lips they look quite similar. The Colourpop Lippy, however, retails for $7. That equals to roughly 520 rupees. And the Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick retails for 500 rupees. There surely is not like a big price difference in here, but surely a difference in terms of availability. Yeah, the Sugar one is an easily available great dupe for the Colourpop lipstick. On to the next dupe, and trust me, this dupe really excited me to actually film this video. And the one I'm talking about is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in the shade Juicy Date. It's a beautiful demi-matte nude. If you haven't seen my nude lipsticks video, I'll be linking it right here, so go give it a watch. And the dupe that I have for it is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Creme in the shade Almond Suede. It's a my lips but better kind of shade, but super pretty too. And the dupe we have for it is, this is what Almond Suede looks like compared to Juicy Date. Both are really glossy and glassy and it's just beautiful. I love this dupe. You have to get your hands on this. So the Bobbi Brown lipstick retails for 1900 rupees, whereas the Revlon one retails for only 680 rupees. Additionally, the Revlon one has a slight cooling sensation and a plumping effect to it. So if you're into that nicely hydrated plump lips look, this is gonna be the one for you. Next up, from the house of Smashbox, we have their Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat, a very popular lip shade. And the dupe that I have for this is by Physicians Formula. It's their Healthy Lip in the shade Bear With Me. This is what both the shades look like on my hand side by side. The Physicians Formula one looked like a tad bit lighter, but when dried down, both the shades are absolutely the same. The Smashbox one retails for 2100 rupees, whereas the Physicians Formula lipstick retails for only 650 rupees. I have another Ofra Lippy. It's from the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick range. It's in the shade, okay, I forgot it, Unzipped. And the dupe I have for this is the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Rose Touch. And this is what both the lipsticks look like on my hand side by side. The Ofra one retails for 1600 rupees, whereas the Lakme one is available for only 625 rupees. Thought I was done with Smashbox lippies? Hey yeah, we have another Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Bows. And the dupe I got for this is the Virada Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Rojo. What I was so glad with this lippy, because there are a lot of reds in the market, like come on, but this matches almost 100% in terms of the undertone, the formula, everything. I was so surprised. This is what both the lipsticks look like side by side. Honestly, I'm really proud of this dupe if you could not tell by now. Smashbox one retails for 2100, whereas the Virada Beauty lipstick retails for only 690 rupees. And this is what both the lipsticks look like on my lips. I'm really proud to find this dupe, honestly. I have like a bonus dupe for you all, that is for the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lippy in the shade Nefertiti. I know this is not like a high-end lipstick, it retails for 600 rupees, but the dupe that I got for this is like half its cost, so I believe it counts as a dupe. So perfect dupe for Nefertiti is gonna be the Maybelline Creamy Mattes in the shade Soho Nudes. It's from the Brick City Heat collection, and this is what both the lipsticks look like side by side. Nykaa one retails for 599 rupees, whereas the Maybelline one retails for 299 rupees. I really appreciate when all of you who follow me on Instagram would DM me how you liked my today's YouTube upload. It's a small venture of mine, and if you really want me to grow, so I would appreciate it even so much more if you could leave a comment down there and help my channel grow. And that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.